0243. Maybe them who say bibia mono. Baby any pan be fat trendy bia na I accepted no. We should accept obia, but difference woman. I was like to me when year juma. Na meka asi so say Odaseni is one of the best series in Ghana so far. Onti asia fa okoko wo ho.
Enti other series no pacho obia.
Other series no wo ho mo twam.
The name still remains Armstrong Poleeno Ade, and then Nana Asamoah, Emma me a yase, and I have a P. And you know, Hermia, Mene, Mr. Penny, Asha Black. And Banamekai or say a agenda say, the Dikuma wood, Esa a babium, and I see a budding den supply. Tina, Major Mr. Penny, they never say, you didn't come on, now you be a Kuma wood, Mukaka. Sis, what's your more cover?
Yeah,
I think it's the first time when you're Poleeno Multimedia.
I'm sure.
Yeah. A privilege say now I say.
Oh, Mr. Madam was it.
Nampacho, yen say yen na di wabe pi mu ha de.
Ai, be la sama mama yen na di mabe pi.
Okay. Offering kind all the way na say Okumasi.
Actually na mo Okumasi.
Okay.
Ntim Okumasi na eba.
Okay. Na me pacho say adwuma no akosi say. Say obi etu na basa ne lei.
Say Kumawood movies nana.
Yeah, Kumawood movies.
Oh, say the o Ghana had there, say the trend in Ekon. The series no. To me boy home dey say the series no be revive it.
Okay.
Na nyame adom say afa pa nyasam ketua because o share dwuma Zion Train Productions media.
Yeah.
From last year dwuma ya dwuma dene from movies to series no. Ya boy Juma pa because me movie Tatakwashi Heroes of Africa.
Yeah.
Ghana movie. What I say Ghana Movie Awards last year 2020 yenya nominations in 18.
Wow.
18 and I winning 8.
Wow.
Yenya a Black Star Movie of the Year 2020. Yenya ama nomination just a bit brave cutting across and our series in Sumusu yetimi di Nyanta ye series ye yi wo UTV ama Ghana for eni asa ba omo ho so a say no omo hwe ye series ne pa e na sisi a Nyanta si ye de Odaseni aba na say de Odaseni na manfo asi eni hwe no hwe viewership na me sisi a metumi de mensaje me bo say me series is one of the best so far. I work Ghana I work UTV amanfo hwe until through that me feel say yetimi aboama Kumawood no eba ntino
pasha wo de won try YouTube ni bi on ana series no de ko YouTube so
series me fa nko YouTube
okay
wo YouTube nko a
okay
but maybe with time or maybe I be ko ho ama hwe
okay ba Nyanta de asi
Nyanta si na ye yi Odaseni ti say Odaseni ne wo so
me sure say bia abroche for no mutimi nya bi hwe because wo YouTube no
ebi hwe wo start time app no na ebi susu wo wo channels bia mutumi hwe Ghana you know
channels okay
and you know UTV channel bia obenya UTV wo so no obetimi a hwe Wednesdays and Thursdays 7:30 p.m.
All right. Then repeat and I say
repeat twice a week. Wednesday, Thursday, 7:30 p.m.
And then we year Juma because twice a week they easy.
Easy, yeah, Juma pa. Yeah, for 1 year.
A month, 8 episodes. And I'm
no,
twice a week.
Twice a week into month, 8 episodes.
Wow.
3 months in a year, 26 episodes.
It's not easy.
It's not easy. Until you just what you try 4 seasons. Okay. Now you 4 seasons now you be channel. 1 season be 26.
Okay.
It's like you try 104 5 scenes episodes.
Wow.
Until you juma kese a project na no hye. The you hear see every Ghana for and say you be sponsorship. Because you sponsorship you will resources no nipa wo ho a you dey on be adwuma.
With the big brands.
Sir, see a boy and woman say you bet me a yarn ye abrofo no telenovelas in every TV so.
I think because
yes so no your talent na you bet me and I entertaining Ghana for until ye nhwese abrofo no na omo meyi omo culture nkyere yen and also wo de no ye kan yen amamere.
Okay.
yen culture na ye depicte ye promote enti no ebeboa se corporate bodies no omo beba no ma be so yasene na ye de apage adwuma no because who say a serve as employment because you
it's unemployment to be brave
it's unemployment so you ko set ba ko a enipa e ba employ omo a e betua omo ka no e huge
enti ana bibi say me bisa say I am the proposal call brands ni bi o say bia the project we say ye hia on board now the proposal call na ma church on benefit also
that is how it's supposed to be but no started pre-financing into the area and say the product na be we into no ye call proposals call for sponsorship on TV
ko na be say me who say bia mo try some be rich other brands on round board
ye try say ye be rich wo mo buy rich wo mo whereby ye twa wie na ye pe promotion sponsorship no TV but with time no me feel say ye betimi aye proposal na call before I be a be set ye call ye nimu no
but na me bisa say bia brand be here is see on person come on board number be wo edwa na as social media handles be on be follow there
me patchan wo share ye promo na ye bo TV na UTV na ye was sponsorship contact that so 0243 23 50 30
0243
23 50 30 o fresh number na ubenya ye djuma ye phone bi omo na obekasa na ye package no so emu da ho e wo fom
ne bon so
e bon wo fom
e be boa wo company timba bra wate
the way ye viewership no wo soro no company bia obeba be da odasane ni so e wo UTV no obenya sika the product ne be sell because as I prime time ye na nwumre after news UTV news obi ate wo o ready na wo hye nti amanfo hwe nti se wo do product ne beto so a amanfo be hwe na amanfo so be ba be hwehwe wo product ama won so no wanya sika
nti enye se wo di ukotu sika ego first cabbage your friend fanam yinam
e wo da sani show so
why pastor mama friend no man say we want to add
for strictly for sponsorship
okay me ba show na me bisa before say o upload the video YouTube because they say yes and the ish now
yeah ho adwuma say ye dey be ko YouTube ba ye dey no say bibi say nyanta ya ye wie ye betumi dey akọ after yes screening on TV no ye betumi dey akọ and ye san so ye adwuma say nka ye be ye no episodes bia ye yiwi a na nka ye dey call YouTube nti no me team no guso a omo ye ho adwuma nti with time no ye be update e wo social media ma obi
because me bisa we because me ne evangelist amakosi nyameche twen komo na wo kire say YouTube is the issue now until we actor otu obi afo say sini na ho na ni nyina den e ko online ti we actor obetu fo say nka bra ho nti na na
okay me wo ho me wo Mat TV GH but juma na nkasa ye de kwoto won de afa ne ye ho adwuma nti say ye ho adwuma wi a wo say ye betimi de abeto wo page na ya ma amanfo akwa akohye
all right exactly nti Mat TV e wo ha say
Mat TV GH okay try wo YouTube
okay nti subscribe it juma be brave ba ho no what I say kuma wu de nguda
engu ye
e bounce back gidigidi africa na juma no obi e juma gidigidi nti wherever you are just take your phone go to YouTube na subscribe Mat TV GH e wo YouTube here what I say says yes kuma wu dodo ni
me nim adekudenti omo kase kuma wu dodo ni mo odo na e de ade
okay yes before no na ebia moko set a moko location ebia wato aduane a obi atim de nsa ebetum se mat ato aduane nyina yedi bi ba se say na kweza ahweye oba set kra na ebia okita nso na onum bi kro ntimi njibi no because yesi nurosem ni no bebre
wow we dey asemo a me experience bi
okay
because me production ya wie you buy a village wa nyanta village wa uko mi page a new Matilda Asare ho a ubehu se bedi da no apesie ama otwi meku ama wo ya nyina yegusu a aduane ne gu ahaban so a ye die
okay
mbacho what ya say enti so obi ka say first no na ye yes ade ne ni ho a wo nipa na experience e bia wakonya oni nipa bi akonya enti na wo kasa but to me ni de me no me hu ni say bibia no one more minute, me, Juman, me, no money, cool. It's me too, said the BBA. And you know, me, man couldn't tell Mokasa. Yes.
Okay, and then with Sawokase, Momo camp on them. Almost say a camp, or be an a camp, and see, weighing free hammer, how we soon free hammer.
There be me, no, Cassa, me, crew, I mean, no more Juma. Or Jackson said to swallow more Juma. Okay. The same crew. The same crew. Emma, a bit so what, Baba House, see almost so Juma. Okay. At least, no so be over Baba Homo Juma. And see, a first night movie, no, a was so no. Production wait, and I mean, who is I say? Director be per se campaign and call for near the but me, Mr. T production, dear, me no say story in the back. Nani pan bit to me a year. Me share me ni pano cranta myself. Okay. Me casting a manababe because me feel say ni pan bit to me a year. Aha, until obi obeka sa asem na be experience be a wakonya. Oh, enti na ma wo kasa. Okay. Aha.
According to there is nothing like Odoni Kumawood.
There's nothing like Odoni Kumawood no. And I make her say Kumawood no. Ye to say ye na. But omukasa Odoni muna and I make her say me experience. Me nima de kudienti omukasa. Okay. Because media me no obi aye cool. Okay. Me to me no obi aye adwuma. Okay. Aha, nti me to me say Odoni Kumawood mo. Because say ye buy ye odonti na de aba. Wo buy so bo say Kumawood fo nyina ye wo table. Ye didi ye no so I don't know what they are talking about. Okay. Enti na make us say bia na nipa no woni obi akonya encounter bi oni na ko hia ba bi ma wa tete ne hu bi a kire na na say wada sa suba na di sa nipa ne de o right say o kasa. Okay. But me de me nya sa experience ni bi ntimi ntumi nka. Okay. Pacha wo ye adwuma no wafro bi a moka say bi a based on one or two reasons ntimi emma settings. Me nya obi a me frɛ ni bia oba. Okay. Obi wo ho a ne time a me de be ma no na emwa na o ma me oye nti no me start adwuma me nche but my adwuma pa me ni nipa bebre aye adwuma but obi a eso ba o me frɛ o mo ba. Okay. Me frɛ o mo ba nti no onipa no ni obi wa na ono no se de osi hu na asam no okay, me mean generalize say. Okay. Why no favorite of all time Kumawood industry? Oh, Kumawood. Kumawood my favorite because I be ba woni mbenya asem. Me do bia me po bia asem me cool me no obi act. Me tell no say but on say e be ultimate ga say. Me all best time no. Asumesi. Hwe no from afar or boy adwuma. Kumawood me your favorites be okay, them are first three. Me your favorites be me favorites. Ejako ye me favorites. Okay. Lilwin ye me favorites. Okay. Emema no. Acrobat ye me favorites. Okay. Pacho what I say. Eba mana. Chewa ye me favorites. Okay. Magra ye me favorites. Okay. Pacho what I say. Vive ye me favorites. Nti omodoso. Aha. So some vessel we can't say me no nya say obi aye ni favorite. Uze nche ni pa nya asem aha. Ebi omonte wase ye na odwen say bia. No, ko ka say bia on pen asem. Me po obi asem. Enu nti na ma me nya opportunity say me ye production no. Ma invest wo other sector na me de buy industry nim because and na me feel say free buy. Sir. You know. Sir, I'm cool with Obia. Okay. And the new trending thing they say waivers me sure say they are on social media they what you say yeah the Dr. Likee say because of YouTube and say when a man of the moment and you then compare Jacko and when Kwakuman when feel say competition no mo you know oh me feel say sa comparison no on say almost YouTube yeah Likee and Lilwin mo dey compare Lilwin and Jacko say oh you will be a what this near chia no with different perspective because difference room. That's what I say. I have to say it's a stage performance. Or be a comedian or may perform stand up or make on your comedy. Or be soon your movie no find your comedy. Difference woman. Or be soon you not TikTok. Or be soon you not TikTok. Difference woman. You know, maybe they may say Bibia mono. Baby, any pan be fat trendy bia na I accepted no we should accept obia. Say I accepted the way they just say omo ye stars. What I say and it's true omo ye legends near. Aha. Sana Lilwin Likee so what to me afa YouTube no so abeye popular. Popularity ni yehwehwe. Nti no baby a obefa obeye popular bia no. I was say accept nti me no comparison no ehun hia. Okay. To me it's not necessary. Enye very enye kwan say almost yes because difference will. Okay. Only your directors sankasa ebe kasa they will tell you. Okay. Say difference will. Ewo the Likee ye no any the Lilwin na eja ko ye no. Because obi wa the be maka say o me act e bia wo hu no short video o hu say o ya de wo di movie be ma no with movie no ye wo transitions wo say de wo kan e wo say wo swinge mood
dynamics be
what you say enti difference wo enti sa question we no nipa o metumi a chechire mu amma amanfo ate as movie directors no they will tell you me gina na me kan bia Lilwin obi be ka say me support you and me support you but me support you mu nyina but difference wo so they should be very careful.
Okay. Na omumie no nyino bia fa trem fan ye adwuma
e wo so mo ye adwuma e wo say Lilwin ni fan say Likee to me ye adwuma e wo say Likee to me ni Lilwin ye adwuma because adwuma na ye ne movie ni ye okay anti no ya na amanfo na create problem ama wo mo wo start say wo compare wo mo a ho na abema obi ti ho a ofu say wa dream bibi anti that comparison no to me ehun hia it's not necessary and needless there was so mujai okay because it create enemies confusion my ho
anti I for say my sister Ayeka no there is no need to compare the two because we are with different platform and has different skills. What you say?
Different talent.
Different talent. So be an idea. And see, you praise you munyina no munyina nyede and for door enye ejuma. Says, Pastor, what's the way forward for the industry?
The way forward, says, he say me make Ghana for say the whole Ghana. He say me na me try best series. The whole Ghana. Me and a try best series. A series that UTV or that Senino. It's one of the best TV series. And ultimate say obi anko share understanding e wo UTV. Na meka esi so say understanding is one of the best series in Ghana so far. Onti ase a fa okoko wo ho.
Enti other series no mpacho obi anko.
Other series no wo wo matwam. Wo understanding ana wagina.
You forget obi.
Mo forget obi a.
The whole Ghana
series a Zion Train. Okay. It's won't forget to be I UTV. Okay. I'm telling you because me juma me picture quality, BBA, me story, BBA is on point. I'm not joking. Internet a juma nkasa say ye movie a suit to all standard
okay, okay standard no na na me manager bi na the Lord. No bisa say inti na kuma would yen try say ye juma to fit Netflix standard na yetimi the movies at all. Yeah,
because me movie Heroes of Africa no say me say international. And you know even though you can 70% friend is English. Okay. Now you can 30% English. Okay. The fact say you did 3 years no doesn't mean say cut across. That is the way I wish so you be to me use your promote your culture.
Chinese most of our movies are
so yes, yeah. Yeah, the standard nene say we be technical friend say standard no mo peno. Okay. Sound, camera, BBA quality no ebe almost standard. But with the language in it
it doesn't matter.
Yeah, the chi ni betimi asell your movies akọ international to tell the world to say a krobi or high Africa if in Ghana. Okay. A krobi or Ghana, this is the language they speak. Okay. A krobi or Hwa, this is the culture they live. What you say? And you know, standard no has got nothing to do with yen Chi language. Maybe movie no tete question Chi. 70. But I mean say hopefully because movies almost stay almost predict say be on Netflix no. It was 10 movies no can ho. Wow. Kuma wood. Anti my language barrier no restricting. Okay. You bet me the kasa tree na can.
Sakwa there so or the tree arapia kwaji beat. And see everything is possible.
Yes, and yes you bet me the tree. Akọ Hollywood. Akọ Oscars.
Yeah, me pacho the Poleeno Multimedia say be sure ne say akoma pane odo a wanya ma adwuma no ye sure so be so misa na wa ye adwuma bebre na waboa yen so e wo from na ye pese act and as ye cinema adwuma because mo na mo di kan nti mo boa yen e wo from na adwuma no atimi agina
Mate.
yes sure
Mate nti dia ka na yen pai bonus support ehia sponsors ne ba dia ye be
number na e wo dwadada like I said o pese wa act am mfre eh for sponsorship for big companies and kwa me ba che wo final words ni nya
me final words me ka che Ghana for say Zion Train Productions I am Matilda na ye ne dia Matilda Asare my ye madwene say me ye movies Ghana for pe e dia ma wo monti no de bia me movie beda marketer anase TV so a UTV a me say Ghana for so omo nhwe na ye nya ade e be say Ghana for nkwara because ye movie no kwa ya grading no age 12 inti na eche say nkwara to me hwe nti ye bebo ye homoden say ye nye ne ma be say o man Ghana and e be promote Ghana yen culture.
All right, I think that is the best way because America be American, you know, all the true movies and sell it on my country. And you said movies sell a culture to the world. They're very necessary. Medini Armstrong Poleeno Ade. I had any interview in this.